What's going on, my friends? Gaby Chemistry here, and welcome to part 2 of how to make awesome YouTube thumbnails. Now, if you didn't catch my part 1, check that out. I'll put a link down in the description below. In that video, I show you a very simple thumbnail that you can make that's really easy, and I also kind of walk you through the steps and just kind of explain things a little bit more. In this video, I'm going to be running a little bit faster just so I can show you a little bit more stuff, and so you can just have different designs that you can use for your YouTube channel just to help your YouTube channel pop more. And I'm going to show you a specific template that you can use for video series and other projects that you might be doing within your channel. So, and also, if this is your first time on my channel, hit the subscribe button so you can get notifications of when I bring out awesome videos that will really help you out in your marketing and just in your game in general as an entrepreneur. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to log into my Canva account. And the dimensions are 1920 by 1080 for a YouTube thumbnail. Now, in the first video, I did a thumbnail using this picture, which basically the reason why I did that was so that you could kind of see that the picture's on the side and that you would have space here for text, but what happens if you just have a regular old picture like where you're like smack dab in the middle of it? How can you make that work? So that's what I'm going to show you with this thumbnail here. So I'm just going to enlarge the picture just so it can kind of cover up. And the background's white, so it's not going to be too like messy if it doesn't cover the whole thing. But there you go right there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to elements, shapes, and I'm going to pick the square element. Now what I'm going to do, let's make it a dark color just for now so I can kind of see it. I'm going to rotate it, and then I'm going to make this big, like just make it as big as I can. Then I'm going to take it here. I don't think I rotated enough. I want to rotate it on an angle, so it's kind of like an angle like that. See how I did that? Perfect. And like you kind of move, now you can move your main picture over just a little bit. Just kind of give you some space there. And boom. Now what we can do here is we can add the text. Now let's say, first of all, let's change this color. I don't really like this color. Let's make it like, I'm gonna make it a blue that's kind of like my shirt, just so I can kind of blend in a little bit. There you go. That's cool. Now we can add the text. Go over here. Gonna add several text here. Now, if you don't know why I'm making several text like this, make sure you go back and watch the first video because I explain it there. How to make awesome YouTube. And let's get one more going here. Thumbnails. Okay. Now I'm going to, let's make this 64. Actually, I'm going to make this like 56. Change the color, the font. Let's make this. Boom. Do that for all of these. So bear with me here. Alright, and then once I get these all done, I can just organize it in a way that I like it. Alright, so let's see, I'm gonna like put this here. How to make YouTube thumbnail. Cool. I'm gonna change awesome here. Make it a different font so it can kind of stick out. Maybe add a different red in there. Boom. How to make awesome YouTube thumbnails. Spelled everything right. Everything's cool. All right. Now the thing that's really cool about these type of thumbnails is, say you're doing like a video series such as this, or you have a couple videos in your channel that have a specific purpose. Maybe you're doing a couple videos that focus on one thing and a couple videos that focus on another. You can create thumbnails like this to kind of give some similarities to those videos so that people know that that's a series, and you can do similar things like you can change the color, and basically you can organize your videos so that they look nice, they look clean, but they can also tell that they are all, kind of together. So the way that you kind of do that here is, say I'm going to make another font here. I'm going to say, no, this is part 2 of my video, so I'm going to make a part 2. Change it. I'm gonna make this red, so stick out window. I'm gonna put that right there in the corner, and then what you want to do is you go to elements and you want to go to lines. You can pick a line out. I'm just gonna use this one here. Pretty simple. Make it like a little bit bigger. Boom. Just like that. And then you can go back here and you can change the filter if you would like, just to make it pop a little bit more. These filters are okay. They're not the best. Let's just do that. That's pretty cool. All right, and there you go. That's how to make a quick, easy thumbnail. Now, to tie this all together, there's one function of Canva that's really cool. They have a bunch of free images that you can use. So let's say I just type in like YouTube. I can go in, I can get a couple icons that represent YouTube that are free. So I can just put this here. Let's use this one here. Make this a little smaller, and you can put it anywhere you want. Let's say I'm just gonna put it right here. Move this over to the side. And boom, that kind of ties everything together. All right, so once you're done creating your thumbnail, you want to come over here and you want to name it. All right, once it's named, you can hit download and download it. Now you want to make sure it's a JPG file. I don't know, for some reason YouTube doesn't like any other well, PNG, which is what they recommend, but they don't. I don't know, it doesn't work for some reason. But regardless, once you hit download, in a couple seconds, you'll have your thumbnail all ready to go. So there you go. That's how you do it. All, within like less than 5 minutes, quick and easy. And this is how you can do different thumbnails for a different series that you might be doing on a YouTube channel. And it can just really help your channel pop out so that, all your thumbnails don't look the same, but you have a variety just to keep people more engaged and to keep people on your channel. So I hope this video was helpful. Hope you got value from it. If you like this video, please like it and leave a comment down below. Let me know some of your thoughts. And don't forget to subscribe to my page, where I'll be bringing you more tips and tricks on how to be a boss, entrepreneur, and a beast at life. So thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you, and have an awesome day.